Hey, so this is Matt and AJ with Dustin's Mechanical. So this is our brand new 199,000 BTU Bradford white boiler, Brute. So this does their baseboard heat and their hot water. So I guess we'll start off with, this is our little pressure gauge. We want our system running at just about 12 PSI. We're at about 11 to 12, so that's perfect. That's what we want. This is our controls for the boiler. Right now it's warming up. It's about at 129. So this is our fresh air intake, and then this is our exhaust, our venting system here. We have our relief valve on the side here, wire coming down. We like everything nice and neatly strapped up. If you make your way down the bottom here, this is where your gas comes in. So they run this off propane, so we actually had to do a conversion kit for this and test everything and make sure it's correct. We have our hot coming out, going back to all the appliances, and then this is our cold coming in right here. We like putting on these isolation valves and also bleeder valves here, so for maintenance reasons we can maintenance it whenever it's time for it, bleed air out if we have to, all that good stuff. Here's our condensate line, comes down, pumps out. This is our main manifold here. So then we have hot and cold, supply return basically. What else do we have here? So this is our circulators. So we, instead of zoning valves, we have circulators, 1, 2, 3. We like to label everything nice and neat. We put isolation valves on these as well with these flanges, so then, if ever the time comes we have to change them, it's nice and easy for us to swap in, swap out. Come down this, we have our autofill. So this is our main cold coming in. This is a backflow preventer, so then no water can go back. Autofill, this lets the water into the system. Like I said, we run this at 12 PSI is what we want. Our expansion tank is what we have. And then also the spiral vent right here is what we have. And if you see this, you'll have a steady stream. And that's what you want right there. I'll wipe that up, but so now we know there's no air in the system. If you make your way over here, this is hot and cold. Like I said, I showed you down there. This is just where it comes down. This is our gas coming in. And then these are all our returns. So those 3 supplies, one matches up to each one here. These are also shut-offs, isolation valves with the bleeder on it. So that circulator, its job is to push the water. So basically it's pushing the hot. And then we want to get the air out, it's pushing it right to here. We'll shut this and then we get all the air out right through here. So these service ports are very nice, very useful. Autofill, cold incoming again, like I said. And then we like to strap everything nice and neat. Everything's level, straight, looks good. And then if you make your way over here, once again, AJ did this. This is very nice, our electric work here. We like to label everything, like I said, so we know what's what. And then this is a 3-zone panel, which you could always get a different panel and add more zones if you have to. But we just have 3 in this instance, so that's what we went with. And yeah, that's really it. So give us a call at Dustin's Mechanical if you want a piece of artwork like this.